Hello kids, in previous class we studied about addition of money and we studied 2-3 word sums and I think you done the remaining question as homework. Exercise 2.3 last fifth question. I think you are having little doubts. I will show you. A table cost rupees 175.80 more than a chair. It is not cost of the table. 175.80 more than chair. Chair cost is 99.90. You have to find the cost of the table. We have to find the what is the cost of table. Look here, you bought a pen for 10 rupees. For 10 rupees you bought a pen. But a box cost is 25 rupees more than pen. More than means we have to plus. More than means what you have to plus. So can you say that what is the cost of box? 25 plus 10. 35 rupees is the cost of box. More than means what you have to do? We have to plus. Here chair cost is given. And table cost is more than the chair cost. So, what is the first step? Cost of a chair. First step, cost of a chair. CHAIR. This is the equal symbol. Then you should write here rupees 99.90. What is the cost of the chair? 99 rupees 90. Then what is the second step? Cost of a table. What is the cost of table? 175 rupees? No. A table cost more than the chair cost 90 cents. What we have to do? From the question we have to find the cost of table. What we have to do these two? We have to plus it. Rupees 175.80 plus rupees 99.90. Both we have to plus it. 0, 17. Carry 1. Put the dot here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Carry 1. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here you should write here 2. This is the symbol. Can you say what is the cost of table? 275 rupees 70 paisa is the cost of the table. Once more, table cost is given 175.80 more than chair. So chair cost is only 99 rupees, 99.90. So both more than means you have to plus. If the question is less than means you have to minus. To study subtraction of money. Subtraction of money. Look, exercise 2.4, the first question. First one, rupees and paisa is given. Same like our addition and subtraction, we have to subtract it. Look, the first question, rupees and here 180, here it is written 56 and 98, 70. Here what you have to do? You have to put the minus sign. Now 6 minus 0, 6. Can you subtract 5 minus 7? No, you should take here 15. From where you are taken? You are taken from here. This one is 10. 10 में से एक ले लिया तो आप क्या करना बेटा? 9. So this 8 should be 7. 7 minus 9? No, from here you have to take 17. While you are doing subtraction, be very careful. Now 15 minus 7, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 17 minus 8, 17 minus 9, you should write here 8. Here cancel the 8. Then what we have to do? We have to check our answer. How to check? 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 7, 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. What is our answer? 81 rupees 86 paisa. Then while you are making another mistake, if there is zeros are there, I will show you question number 5th. Rupees, and here it is written paisa. Here 212 minus 147.06. Now 2 minus 6. No, you should write here 12. From this 1 you have to write here 0. Now 12 minus 6, 6. 0 minus 0, 6, 0. Now 0 minus 7. No, you should write as here 10. This one you have to write 9. Here you have to write 1. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. It is not compulsory to write the 0 here. Then what you have to do? Check it. 6 plus 6, 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 7 plus 3, 10. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. While be careful students, while there is zeros. Teacher will show you one more question by zeros. Okay, last 16th question. Look the question number 16th. Rupees 1000. 1000.00. Then here rupees 745.85. 745.85. How to do? You have to put the, you have to make it 10. Then this one become 9. Here also you know 9. Here also 9. This is 9. It should become 0. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 9, put the point or dots. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. Here it is 0. It's not compulsory to write. Now you should write the symbol of rupees. How to check it? 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Now look the question number B. Subtract. Question number B. That you have to do in the CW. Why? Because in your book there is no space, students. First, while you are writing in CW, you should write the each digit in each column. Then 72.85. How many rupees? 72 rupees 85 paise. Minus rupees 38.90. Where to minus here. Then 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 9. No, you should make it here 18. From where you are taken? You are taken from here 1. 1 minus 8. No, you should take from here 1. It should become 6. Now 18 minus 9, 9. 11 minus 8, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. You should write the symbol of, this is the symbol of rupees. Now you have to check it. 5, 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 8, 12. Carry 1. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. What is our answer? 33.95. I will show you one more question. Remaining question I think you can do as homework now. Yes. Rupees 500.00. If there is no paisa, what you have to write? You have to put the 0. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Rupees minus sign 386.55. Now here become 10. this is 9. Can you say this 0 became which number? 10? No, it is 9. Here also 9. From where you are taken this one? From here. Look here. 5 में से एक ले लिया, ये 10, 10 में से एक ले लिया तो इधर 9 हो गई. Like that you have to take it. Now 5, 4, here is the point. 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 8, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. You should write, don't forget to write the symbol of the rupees. What is your answer? Our answer is 113.45. You should write neat and clean in the CW. Question number B, subtract. Now important one, this subtraction word sums you are going to do exercise 2.5. Exercise. Yes. Look the questions. Page number 106. Teacher will write the question first. Exercise 2.5. Question number 1. Solve the word sums. Jayanth had rupees 20 with him. 20 rupees. He bought a chocolate. Chocolate cost rupees 18.50. And how much money is left with him? How much money is left with him? For Jayanth is having how many rupees, students? 20 rupees. He bought a chocolate for his sister, 18 rupees 50 paisa. How much money is left? Left means इतना पैसा उसके बाद अभी बचा है. पहले इसके पास हाउ मेनी रुपीस था बेटा? 20. उसने एक चॉकलेट लाया, किसके लिए? उसका ब्रदर सिस्टर के लिए. व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द चॉकलेट? 18 rupees 50. So how much money is left? Left means what you have to do? We have to minus. You have to write the first step. Can you say first step? Amount Jayanth had, or you can write money he had. So easy steps. First step what is the first step? Amount he had. Amount Jayanth had. Jayanth had. How many rupees? You should write here rupees 20. Then what is the second step? Cost of a chocolate. Second step is cost of a chocolate. What is the cost of chocolate? Rupees 18.50. Can you say what is the last step? Amount of money left. What is the last step? Look here, how much money is left. So you should write, therefore amount of money left. Money left. Otherwise you can write in easy method, money left or amount left. So what you have to do? We have to minus both. Rupees 20 point. What you have to write? You should write 00 minus rupees 18.50. 0, this became 10, this became 9, here is 1. So 5, 9 minus 8, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. How many rupees is left with him? Rupees 1, rupees 50 paisa is left. Very easy, no? So like that, second one you have to do homework. Most important, you have to write the steps. If you are not writing the steps, 5 mark question, you will get only 1 marks. Don't forget, you should practice. While you are writing the steps, little mistakes, no problem. But you have to make your own steps. Second one is homework. Third question. Question number 3. Look the question. Girish paid rupees 654 for a shirt and what he bought? Pair of socks and a pair of socks. Pair of socks. Then if the cost of shirt is a shirt is rupees 599.90. We have to find what is the cost of socks. What is the cost of socks? Listen students, read the question. Girish paid rupees 654 for a shirt and pair of socks. उसने दो चीज़ खरीदा. कौन सी चीज़? शर्ट एंड सॉक्स. दोनों के लिए उसने कितना रुपीस दे दिया बेटा? 654 रुपीस. So shirt cost is 599.90. We have to find out what is the cost of socks. So what is the first step? Cost of shirt and socks. Cost of a shirt and pair of socks. Pair of socks. That means both how much amount? What is written? Rupees 654. दोनों के लिए 654. What is the second step? Cost of a shirt. From the question you can make the steps. Second step, cost of a shirt is equal to rupees 599.90. What is the third step? Cost of socks. Therefore, cost of socks is equal to, how to find out? Rupees 654 minus, you should write rupees 654 point, what you have to write? 00 here, minus rupees 599.90. Then here 0, this 0 became 10, this 4 become 13, 5 become 4, 14, here become 5. 10 minus 9, 1. 13 minus 5, 4. Don't forget to write the point here. 13 minus 9, 4. Now 14 minus 9, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Can you say what is the cost of the socks? Socks cost is only 54 rupees 10 paisa. Understood no? Now this is same like fourth one is homework. I will show you fifth. There are 5 questions. I am showing here 3 questions, 2 questions only you have to do as homework. Question number 5. Question number 5. Ajinta bought a pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. What is the cost? Rupees 359.85. 359.85. If he gave 500 rupees notes, he gave 500 rupees notes to the shopkeeper. And how much money shopkeeper returned? How much money shopkeeper returned? Look here. He bought a pair of shoes. What is the cost? 359 rupees 85. He has no change. He has given to the shopkeeper how many rupees, students? 500 rupees. So shopkeeper, he want to get back some money, no? How much amount he will get back? So how to write? What you have to do? I think you are also buying some things. So for example, one pen, rupees, 8 rupees. You are given 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money you will get back? 10 minus 8, 2. Like that you have to minus here. First step, cost of shoes. Cost of shoes is rupees 359.85. Can you say what is the second step? Amount he gave. Easy steps you can write. Amount he gave is equal to rupees 500. What is the third step? Amount of money the shopkeeper returned. Therefore, amount of money shopkeeper returned. Return means वापस दे दिया. Is equal to, how to do students? Rupees 500.00 minus rupees 359.85. Both we have to minus. Here it is 10, here 9, here also 9. 0 1 is easy to know. 4. 5, 9 minus 8, 1. Here point, 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 5, 4, 1. How many rupees the shopkeeper will return? 140.15. Understood now? Okay students, 2 questions. Question number 2 and 4 is the homework. Okay, see you in next class. Bye.